Hey there, how you doing today? Today we're going to be taking a look at the Seiko Presage SSA346. So our day is about to get a whole lot more interesting. Now you got the traditional white display box here from Seiko. I don't know how they pick what they're going to do white or their traditional black and white boxes, but let's take a look at the watch. Here you go, the rose gold tone, really nice. This was one of my favorite of the cocktail time Presages, but they upped the ante here a little bit. It's a little bit of a busier face. It's got the little second hand on the bottom there. Overall, really handsome watch. Like the other Presage, it's got the box crystal and the enameled face. This definitely fits in the Presage family. Very, very beautiful watch. Now it's 23 jeweled, and the case diameter is 40.5 millimeter. So it's not a huge watch, but like the other Presages, it's a little bit thicker than you would expect for a dress watch. But at this kind of price point, you can't really complain too much. So the caliber of this is the 4R57. That's the movement, and there you've got the gold rotor to signify the Seiko Presage. So here you go. Let's take a look at that sweeping hand. Just, you know, the face is almost like a cream color. It's not really a white. And with this box crystal and then the rose gold, it really is a sharp looking watch. And you'd think it'd be a little busy, but no, it just works together really well. And you can see there what I was talking about with the thickness. Pop open the band for you here, and just like all the other Seiko Presage clasps. It's a leather strap, and it's a 50-meter water resistance, so you don't really want to take it in the water too much, but you know, you can take showers and stuff with it. And let's go see it on my wrist. Here we go. And there you can see the case size really isn't an issue. It's not a big watch. It's just a little bit thicker for your dress, you know, especially if you're wearing a suit or a tux. It sits a little high for your jacket to cover it. But otherwise, fantastic watch again. Seiko Presage does another nice job here. I'd like to thank you guys for taking the time to check out this watch with me. Appreciate it. Have a good one.